What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on XLM, which has once again hit a green candle. It is up just about 3% in the last 24 hours, nothing major, currently trading at 47 cents. So at the moment, yes, it did take a little bit of a correction, a little bit of a dip over the last 2 days. It did hit red candles, however right now it is back up. And in our previous update on XLM, I did warn you guys, because it's gone through such a huge increase in value. Let's have a look here. Over the last 7 days, 62% up, and the last month itself, 76%. Majority of it literally coming from the last few days. I did warn you guys, do expect a minimal dip, a minimal price correction. That is exactly what's happened, and right now it is back up. And will it go for another increase, another one of these days where it's likely to head over 55-60 cents? That's what we'll be going through in today's video. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the moment, as it stands, the crypto is still overvalued. We can see the RSI is at 84.08 and 67.49, which is pretty high, indicating a minimal price correction is again likely to take place potentially towards the end of the day today, tomorrow, before we go into the weekend. It is likely to take a little bit of a dip, dropping back down to just over 44 cents in value is what my predictions are. So again, nothing major, and then going through a slow, and well, it should stabilize around its current price range of 47 cents before it heads over 50-55 cents towards the end of July, early August, and potentially hitting 60 cents by the end of August. But again, I will do way more updates on XLM before that time, so make sure you stay subscribed for regular updates on this crypto. If we do get rid of the RSI and bring on the Ballinger Band, again we can see the crypto is at just about its highest point, guys. So the upper level of the Ballinger Band is the red line at 48 cents, and the crypto is trading at 47 cents. So at a slightly below value of the upper band, which means yes, the crypto is within target, however still very close to being overvalued, and hence why if it drops down a little bit further, it will be in a good range for it to again increase in value going towards the end of this week and going into next week as well. So zooming into the hourly chart, as you guys can see, it has been quite volatile with ups and downs, red and green candles. But zooming out here, the overall outcome has been more on the positive side. We did see a dip here on the 14th of July, which was about 2 days ago, stabilizing around 44-45 cents, and right now slowly starting to increase again. So if we bring out the MACD indicator, we can see that the MACD line and the trading line are both looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So overall, this time tomorrow, over the next 24 to 48 hours, an overall increase in value is what is predicted. Even though, as I mentioned, red candles are likely to take place in between, the overall outcome over the next 2 to 3 days does seem to be more on the positive side. So do expect increases in value. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart now, over the next couple of days it is not looking too great. Reason being is what's happened over the last 2 days, a little bit of a dip. However, going into late July, early August, I am predicting overall increases in value from XLM, getting closer to 57-58 cents in value is where it should be trading at towards the end of July and early August. And finally, zooming out to the daily chart, is looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. Reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place. In fact, let's figure out percentage wise how much it has gone up. 112% over the last week, guys, which is insane. Hence why price corrections are likely, well, expected, because if we go higher than that, well, I can't do it with this one. Let's see what the highest figure it did go up to. I got the wrong indicator. So again, 112%, that is after the dip that's taken place. Let's have a look without the dip. What is the highest that it went to? It was about 120% increase, guys. Again, slightly higher, but still makes a difference. So overall, it has gone up 120% in a week, and that explains why the dips are likely to take place in between. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume is currently down at 24% at $1.3 billion. Reason it's down is because there hasn't been any major movements from XLM over the last 24 hours, and over the week we can clearly see the incline in trading from 600 million to over 3.2 billion before it started to drop down over the last few days due to the dip. And over the month literally went from $200 million to the highest of 3.3 billion. So that is indeed a huge increase in trading. Let me know in the comment section down below what your predictions are for XLM for over the next few months. How high can it go? My prediction was about 65 cents. Let me know what your thoughts and your predictions are for this crypto over the next couple of months. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.